For Jason, who is 3 years old, I'm going to use these visual cues here. I'm going to start off with some auditory bombardment with a P and D, and I'm going to have him discriminate between the two. And then I'm going to go back to auditory bombardment and say some P sounds. And just have him say it with me just as a quick warm-up. This is also going to act as a visual cue along with this gestural cue as well. Just remind him to make sure let's use our awesome lip popping P sounds when we say our words that start with a P. And just to help them kind of with that processing that we are going to be working with words with P in the beginning, I had made cards here with P in the beginning in every word I have here in puzzle. This is the only harder word that I have here, but I'm going to have him one by one kind of try to say the word, but the point of this activity is to tell me where the words are low, or where the sight sounds are located, whether they are in the first, middle, or last position of the word. I'm going to have him point to it, of course, after he processes that the P is in the beginning. Of course, all of them start with a P. So after that exercise is done, I'm going to move on to some colored popsicle sticks. I have some with a B, some with a P. After he produces, or after I produce the word, so pet, well, that's a P sound, okay? I would like him to produce the word pet. After he correctly pronounces it, or at least close enough to completion, I'm going to have him put the pet sound in which he completed inside the owl's mouth. My owl loves P words. If it is a B word, I'm not going to have him say it. It's not really in the plan yet. I'm going to have him put them right in the cup. I'm going to put them right over here. And this is for auditory discrimination. And also auditory bombardment, because I have a heck of a lot more P words than I do B words. For my last activity, it's almost like a bingo, but I'm going to have them produce these words right here. And again, this kind of acts as an auditory bombardment. Also, it's also helping them do its repetition. So I'm having to go through these 16 words, maybe not all 16 at first, maybe 12. But I'm going to have them put a sticker on them after he produces it. And while doing that, I will be taking data on our articulation data sheet.